Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss organization and we're going to focus on tags. This was discussed in the basic course and it's something that needs to be standard practice within every notebook. Now you'll notice here that there are two notes that do not have tags. Now that doesn't mean that this information will not be searchable. It will be. However, you want to make sure that you have tagged appropriately, especially for a specific workflow. So for example, within a notebook, you can take each individual note and you can actually tag it. And for the tagging strategy to work effectively, you really do need to have followed the other aspects of this course, which is that every individual aspect of content that you are putting inside the notebook, you want to put it inside of one note. And then what that will do is that will find each individual item more findable when you actually do the search. For example, if we were to search these business notes and we were to write in here alternative to low carb, you'll notice that even though this specific phrase does not appear in the article, nor does it appear in the note, it appears because of the tag, and it's also easy to find because it's within a note. So again, the most important aspect is the entire system. The entire system requires that you put individual items inside of your note and then that you take each note and that you tag it appropriately. Now, one of the things that you want to do is you want to encourage your team to use tags that have already been done. And so you'll see that there are tags within your dashboard that have been used, and you want to try to reuse the tags because this will be the way that certain individuals will search, and it'll make their search more effective if you can tie all of the activity to things that have already been discussed. And when you do this, as you can see here from the team members' search, this makes search a lot easier and more effective over time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.